What's something you're glad isn't real? I was 12 when I had a nightmare about a man who would come into my room at night and take me away. I woke up terrified and my mom comforted me, saying it was just a bad dream. But the next night I saw him again. He was tall with a long coat and a hat that hid his face. He reached for me and I screamed. My mom rushed in and I told her about the man. She looked worried but told me it was just my imagination. This went on for weeks. Every night he would come closer and I would wake up screaming. My mom took me to a therapist, but it didn't help. One night I woke up to see him standing at the foot of my bed. I froze, unable to move. He reached out and I felt his cold hand on my arm. I screamed and my mom came running. She saw the man and screamed too. He disappeared and we moved out of the house the next day. Years later, I found out that the previous owners had a son who had the same nightmares. They thought he was just imagining things until one night he disappeared. They never found him.